On June 10th, friends and family came out to honor student athletes and their accomplishments at the 2019 Best of the Record-Courier Preps Awards. The banquet is hosted by Gatehouse Media Ohio and the newspaper as a way of saying thank you to coaches and athletes for allowing their stories to be shared. Event attendees enjoyed dinner, photographs, an awards ceremony, and a presentation by Pittsburgh Steelers linebacker Ryan Shazier. A few of the nominated athletes took time to explain their passion for their sport and their emotions about the event.
I've been playing tennis since I was a little kid, maybe 5 years old, and I think just all the years of practice and playing, and I'm just really happy to be here tonight.
Started bowling when I was 12 years old. I got into it just in the school program. And since then, I loved doing it, so practice. Won a couple tournaments in the high school season. I started off, I won the first tournament and ended up in third place overall for average.
What made me come out for track was the fact that I actually like to run. I couldn't wait to come out for track. And this season, or my whole high school career, I made a few accomplishments. A big accomplishment that stood out to me was I made it to state, so I'm very happy about that. Being here tonight makes me happy and excited.
W-I-N! Viking Taylor Twin! W-I-N! Viking Taylor Twin!
Caitlin McGarvey for the Record-Courier.